Morning student. In last video we have seen the subtopics which we are going to cover under the topic logic. Now the first part which we are going to cover is a statement and its truth value. What are the statements? जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि whenever there is a press conference conducted by celebrities or politicians or by a government, whatever they say in that press conference that always become a statement. But होता क्या है statement? Statement is something, it is a kind of declaration. It is not only the sentences which they say, but that is a declaration. या तो वो completely true होता है या फिर completely false होता है, but दोनों नहीं हो सकते. And for that reason only, statement is a logical statement. And its definition is, a logical statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both. Now suppose whatever information we get from the statement is true, then its truth value becomes T, and if the information is false, then its truth value becomes F. So that is why if the information is correct, then we say the statement is true and it is denoted by T. And whenever the information is incorrect, then we say the statement is false and it is denoted by F. For example, here there are some examples. The sun is a star. All humans are mortal. Every triangle has four sides. The sun sets in the east. The sun is a star. We all know, yes, sun is a star. It is not a planet, and that is why this is a declarative sentence and its value is true, because whatever information we are getting from the sentence is completely true, and that is why the value is also T. All humans are mortal. Yes, this statement again is true because there is no confusion regarding this. We know its answer is T. Every triangle has four sides. As we know, every triangle has three sides. That is why it is called as a triangle, and that is why this statement, this is a statement, and this, whatever the information is given, that information is false. Again, there is no confusion. The sun sets in the east. As you all know, the sun sets in the west. So that is why this sentence is also a statement and its value is false. Now whatever true and false values I have given in the earlier statement, that values are called as a truth values of a statement, and therefore whenever a statement is there, each statement is either true or false, and if a statement is true, then its truth value is T, and if the statement is false, then its truth value is